So welcome to System Test 5. There's been a couple of changes. I think the detectors are in a different location. Not sure if that was even in the last tests. Got the S quad up, and I've got it with a sounder. This is a new sounder that syncs with it now. This isn't a voice sounder, unfortunately, but this is a sounder only not sounder, only sounder and strobe S3 Mark 1. So it's one of the old S3s. It should be quite good, yeah. I have had to do some repair to it. It was for some reason beginning to crackle even on the higher volumes. So I did some adjustments with the contacts on the back of the piezo disc, and now it sounds fine. But it does crackle on soft start, which is a bit unfortunate, but it's fine. So yeah, the alternating tone on that will sync with the alternating tone on that, and so will the strobes. So yeah, it's nice. One of the nicer looking sounders. I prefer it to this dodgy S3 down here. Looks a bit nicer than the red one. And even nicer than this C3. But I don't know, because it is a bit faded on the side, I'll show you. You can barely see, but it is. Usually the bass is a completely different colour. Yeah. But overall, it's a good little sounder. I know we paid about a tenner for it, so pretty good price. I did also get some 34770s. I don't know what the actual model of them were, but they were the 32,000 version of the 34770s, which they're the exact same, to be honest. But yeah, I did get some of those, and we've got the same call point. So I think we'll start off with the call point. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention, for the master alarms, I've taken the Protec down and put the fully on strobe here, and there's absolutely nothing over there. That's just an empty box with the end of line device in there, just so that it doesn't go into fault constantly. So yeah, because I thought it made more sense to have a flashy thing here, and then you can hear the GENT alternating a bit better with no weird conventional sounds in the background. And yeah, I've moved the Protec on the demo board. So yeah, we'll have to start by pressing the call point. Obviously that one doesn't sync. So yeah, it's on about 30% volume, so it's not quiet, but it's not loud. It's louder than that. I need to find an S quad that's a bit louder, but it'll do. Yeah. So yeah, we'll do the detectors now. I'm not going to do the heat detector. Can't be arsed. Where's my spray? There it is. So these are both 34710s. I didn't put up a 34770 yet. I did test one out just earlier, but I haven't put it up on the system because they're really loud and you can't turn them down. Yeah, that's loud. And then these detectors are both the same. These are both 34710s, optical heat detectors. They're really really nice detectors. Nicer than S quads anyway. More reliable too. This one's a bit dodgy though with the text. And where is my very advanced wafting tool? That's the question. Oh, it's been put away. Oh no, it's here. See, it's really great. I don't want any re-triggering out of you two. Thank you. And yeah, we can just reset now. Oh. Oh, it's re-triggered. I think. Weird. Oh yeah, something re-triggered. I know. I didn't reset the call point, did I? Wow, that was really clever. I'm the smartest. This call point is absolutely... It's one of these ones where the cover just constantly falls out. It's a good call point though, in terms of its stylizing and stuff. Definitely took inspiration from the other Honeywell call point, which is of course the KAC new style. But now we can reset. I thought something would be triggered before, by the way, but that was just me being an idiot. It was the call point. Now it'll shut up. Cool, everything works. Thanks for watching.